If you're struggling to find lash clients, I'll have some tips for you. First and foremost, no matter if you're working from home or within a salon, always network with local communities and go to businesses, book in appointments at beauty salons around your area, strike up conversation, because word of mouth is a very powerful tool and you'll soon be known as the girl in the area who does eyelash extensions. I guarantee it. Sorry, person in the area. I shouldn't say girls. Anyone can be a lash artist. Number two, find people to do model work on. So if you've got no clients, try and get a friend or someone who's interested in getting lashes done. Maybe you find them on Facebook or Instagram. Put a post up saying, hey, I'm offering really cheap full set or for free, just so you can get your portfolio up and you've got photos to post on Instagram. Remember, your clients are walking advertisements. So if you do a good job and someone sees them with your work, they'll ask where they got their lashes from. We all do it. I'm guarantee every time you see someone with eyelash extensions, you just naturally ask, hey, where'd you get them done? If you're interested in lash extensions, of course. You might be annoyed that you have to do a free set here and there to start off with, but in the long run, it'll be beneficial and it's cheaper than paying for ads and things like that. And on the plus side, you've got content to post on social media. If you are working from home and you are struggling, try to find a room to rent within a salon or a local business that complements your business without being in competition with them. Whether it be a hair salon or a beauty salon, make sure your service complements what they offer and you can put deals together, combo deals. You can offer discounts to their existing clientele. A lot of hair salons have got regulars, so when they book in for their hair, they'll book in with you too if you're really good at what you do. Make sure where you rent your room, there's a lot of foot traffic and you don't rent a room within a medical suite centre with chiropractors and physios and things like that. Don't rent a room in a medical centre because people will be in there from all walks of life and they're not interested in beauty services. So you don't have many clients or foot traffic at all. When you're posting on Instagram, don't just post photos of your work, post educational content. So people who head to your Instagram profile want to know that you're good at what you do and you're very knowledgeable in your services, not that you just provide pretty pictures. They want to know that their eyes are going to be safe, hygiene and all that. So provide some educational content, and the more professional you seem and the more knowledgeable you are, the more people will trust in you. You can also jump in beauty Facebook groups that offer cheap beauty services and just say, sorry for the wind, jump in beauty groups and say, hey, I'm looking for a model or two. You don't have to ask friends and family because a lot of people don't have a lot of friends and family who want them. So yeah, jump in Facebook groups and see if anyone is interested in doing that for you. Website SEO. People still use Google. Optimize your website for keywords so when people are searching for someone in your area on Google, you come up. You can do this by writing blogs. You can ask someone to do this for you if they're professional in the area. If you don't know what the most popular keywords are for eyelash extensions, just Google or YouTube. There's always information. Just type in popular keywords for this, popular keywords for that. You don't need to bombard your website with too much information. Keep it short and concise, but just use those keywords. Make sure you include your suburb so people can find you. For more lash tips, like and follow.